Summer performance tires live and die by grip. That's what drivers are paying for. They want to feel their tires bite the road and maximize traction off the line. Right behind grip is response, how cleanly the tire turns the driver's steering and pedal inputs into a motion the driver can feel. Let's talk about what that means for your customers next. The UHP summer segment may not be the most explosive in the industry, but it is buzzing, thanks to being related to races that are so much fun to watch. More mainstream models now ship with serious performance trims. Think Toyota's GR lineup or Honda's Civic Type R. That brings a wider range of enthusiasts into your shop, each wanting something a little different. So how do tire manufacturers deliver? It's a three-part equation comprised of tread design, compound, and construction. Now, a racing slick is the dry grip ideal, but road tires need real-world manners, so a completely smooth tire just won't do here. For the autocross crowd, look for low void ratios, broad shoulder blocks, and a stiff casing that sharpens turning. For OE replacements on daily driven performance cars, prioritize wet channeling grooves, a compound that holds in rain and heat, and a slightly more compliant casing to tame noise and harshness. I should probably mention contour or tire shape here too. Tread depth is part of the contour shape, and that's generally lower on UHP summer tires. And it plays a big role in maintaining tread block stiffness, which directly correlates to how the tire responds under aggressive driving. Your job as the tire dealer is to match the tire to the use case, right? So start by asking about track days, commute miles, and climate. A driver chasing lap times will accept a firmer ride and faster wear for precision. A spirited daily driver may trade a touch of edge for comfort and mileage. UHP summers are sensitive to pressure, heat cycles, and alignment. So always recommend frequent rotations, cold pressure checks, and a fresh alignment to protect the tire's shoulders and preserve that crisp steering feel. Remind customers that shallow, rib-heavy patterns typically sharpen dry response, while more groove and depth help in rain at the cost of some immediacy. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.